Welcome to the world of how others perceives us. I with me and you unconsciously align us with our own persona, our own identity, our own self-assurance. Whether we are embracing our identity or reinforcing them. Clothes speaks volumes of who we are. Please give your comments and views on the episode which has been followed forward. I with me and you welcomes Sudipta Devoshmita De, a wardrobe stylist by profession, adds the narrative mode to clothing. So welcome Sudipta to this wonderful episode. So we have invited you. You can just give our viewers your views on what clothing is to you like.
Thank you so much. I with me and you. It's such a wonderful thing that you've invited me for this show. And I would definitely give you some perspective about my views on clothing. So I'm all here to give you all explanations from my end.
Thank you. The first very important aspect is clothing and its reflection. You know, whenever we say clothes, how does clothes reflects us? Means we go out, we wear something, just we have, our soul is covered by our body, our physical body. Similarly, our body is covered by clothing.
Right.
So I feel clothing plays a very important role. So
Very
how do
true.
you justify that reflection on a human being?
Clothing is definitely very important because what we wear when we go out, anywhere we are going, whether we are going to office, whether we are going for any invitations, what we wear, how people perceive us, that is very important.
Okay.
And there comes the choosing factor, like what I will be wearing so that I look my best. That is not only the important thing. What is important is my comfort, how comfort I am from within. Because if we say like cloth is something which hugs us, which is always tending to cling to our body, so here the comfort factor is very crucial. Because when you are on with your daily routine and daily schedules, so what others are seeing you, how they are appreciating you.
Means you are very conscious on those.
Yes, people are definitely conscious because what they are wearing, how I am looking, if I'm wearing something, how people are appreciating me. So what others are perceiving us and how they are appreciating us, that is important.
That means we are always on the groove of understanding how we are looking. That means some consciousness only on the clothing,
Yes.
Means
Yes.
how we are looking. हमको अच्छा लगना चाहिए. I shouldn't, I should be appreciated.
Yes.
Is those things that are coming into clothing in reflection?
Yes, definitely. Because we don't get to see ourselves. We don't, right?
No.
So how do we see? We are always getting views from the people. So we are getting perceived by other people. And another thing is,
Okay.
when we want to see ourselves, we take help of the mirror. So I always say that mirrors are our best friends.
So does the mirror always tells us the actuality when we wear something and we stand in front of the mirror?
That is when, you see, that is your inner happiness and your joy within. That adds up to what you're wearing.
So that is the reflection we get, once I wear a particular garment and attire and I stand in front of the mirror, I get the satisfaction.
Right, very true. You get a lot of confidence because once you're wearing something which is comfortable for you, something wearing which you feel happy and good, you feel so contented, you feel so jovial. So when that clothing you're wearing and you're stepping out in your world and doing your daily activities, so that boosts up your energy, it triggers your positivity and it enhances your self-esteem. So
Okay, so that means again we are with it, means we are moving with that garment, the confidence also comes, the self-esteem also comes from there.
yes.
That means ultimately it does plays a very important
Yes,
role.
it speaks of your personality, the trait, the quality, your character. Because what you're wearing, how you're carrying it, what color you're wearing, those are a lot of things to be discussed. Because if we segregate clothing into a number of things,
Mhm.
many things comes in: the occasion, the purpose,
Mhm.
the reason of wearing it. Because in different occasions, definitely we wear different type of outfits. So clothing is something that clings and hugs, and it depicts everything about you. We judge people, and in fact, in our industry, we often relate and judge people to what they are wearing for which occasion. So that happens.
Okay, that means it comes not only as a clothing as a whole, but all the accessories it is included.
Yes, clothing is not only a single feature to be analyzed. We have to analyze, what we are wearing with it, how we are accessorizing with our earrings, with the, bracelets.
Even how we are carrying it also.
Yes, how we are carrying it. That
That
is
means
your
we are
personality.
walking. The
Yes,
walking part comes.
yes,
As
yes.
the movement comes.
Yeah, everything. You're carrying an aura with you, right? When you're going somewhere, you're wearing up something, some color, something that you love to wear. And when you're out into the world, when others are perceiving you, they're also having a general idea about you. So it boosts your confidence, gives you energy. It makes you a total, a complete person in your sphere.
Yeah, I feel confidence.
Yes, yes,
Whenever
yes.
I wear something and I stand and I, get appreciation, definitely people wonder that, because if we deny the fact that no, we are only conscious about what we wear, I feel somewhere or the other that person is not right.
Right, definitely.
Because we always expect that, the goodness, the appreciation. Yeah, you're looking good today, you're looking smart today.
And we wait
So,
for such compliments. We feel so good and
actually, this is
happy.
humans past, We wait
Yes,
for
yes.
compliments.
We love when people appreciate. Oh wow, you're looking so good today. So the wow factor. This is
Okay,
another
that
sphere.
is how it reflects on us, the
Yes,
total thing.
yes, yes.
Now, if this is completing the entire scenario of reflection of clothing, how can you just, tell us, narrate us, can it help us spiritually as well? How we can evolve from this particular thing?
Definitely. It is, not only a functional factor, it's a very important thing. It's much, much far ahead than that. Because when you're wearing something, you have an intention of wearing that.
Okay.
And that it is extending your spirit. What I define it as, I would suggest, like it is extending your spirit from within. The connectivity that you are developing with what you are externally wearing, the
Okay.
inner mode of happiness. You'll see the saints and highly realized spiritual people, they wear very light colors. You will not find
Yeah.
them wearing any dark tones. Common explanations, we say that white reflects. In the summers we wear white clothing because
Light
it reflects.
colors.
Yes, it reflects. And we also don't understand at times white color and any pastel shades, light colors, they reflect you from within also. It enhances your spirit, it enhances your aura, and it helps you to connect to the divine.
Okay, that means again we are with ourself covered with a particular clothing, and that is enabling us to get a divine that connection.
Yes, yes, it fosters your connection to your self esteem, to the
Okay.
soul within. We have a soul, we have a spirit, right? It connects you, it helps you to concentrate into meditation. People who are into meditation, you will find them when they are into their classes or when they are sitting and meditating, they always wear light colors. The reason of being light color is, it is reflecting, because the color of our chakras, the color of our
Okay.
soul, we say it's white. We say that often,
Yeah,
we
most of the people I see,
relate.
meditation in other places, mostly they wear white,
Hmm.
off white. Mostly we see of, those saffron color.
Yes,
That is
yes,
very interesting for the saints when we say.
yes, yes.
So, what does that color? I think that is related to our internal self somewhere or the other.
It is a color is a system. It's a psychological concept, and
Hmm.
it is connecting you from within, from deep inside you. When you are into a spiritual world,
Hmm.
where you are, concentrating deep within, when you're
Hmm.
trying to connect to your higher self. So that is the time when the vibration and the energy of your aura, that magnetizes you, and
Okay.
that connects you. So that is the reason why, light colors, even, during morning, Like you will see people are wearing white colors. You know, we say that for the peace of the soul we wear it. It definitely
Okay.
differs from religion to religion, but most of the people wear white colors. When it is connecting you to God, the divine energy, the power, which we cannot deny.
Even white, when we say the word of peace, is a
Yes, yes.
symbol of peace.
Yes, yes. It's a symbol of peace.
So does it give coolness?
Yes, it cools your mind, it soothes your mind, it helps you to concentrate. That energy is added up to you. That self esteem, you know, that triggers your aura, your personality. Your persona is, it leads to manifestation also. Manifestation of your things, your thoughts, your ideas. You might have some goal and direction of your life. And, you know, when you are sitting and meditating deep within, it is always advised to wear, you know, it is not only advised. People tend to wear those colors. They tend
It's a
to
light
wear.
colors,
Yes,
white
yes,
and all
yes.
those colors.
Yes, they do. And now, not only spiritually, these days, colors have these light colors are playing a very important role even during weddings.
Okay, yeah, I see the weddings mostly.
Yes, you see, most of them have gone into pastel shades.
Yeah, and I think it starts with the celebs.
Yeah,
They generally
yes.
follow a particular
Yes,
trend,
yes, yes.
and people tend to follow that.
Yes, yes.
So,
Definitely.
is that the same type of criteria facing with your clients when you handle?
Yes, we do definitely, because these days when we are doing bridal, bridal collections, so everyone wants, most of them, I hardly remember if I made a bright red tone of a bridal lehenga. It's ages back, I believe. No one wants it.
Because you are, I believe, more than 15, 16 years into this particular
Yes,
profession.
more than 17 years
17
now.
years,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So, you haven't dealt with a lot of reds and oranges in marriages?
Definitely in the earlier phases, quite late, quite earlier phases, now no one comes in for any bright colors. No one, even the bride and the groom, they don't want.
So, they're going for all light shades?
They're all going for pastel shades. They can go for a dark color embellishments and embroideries.
Okay.
Zardozis can be, with red threads and peach and other oranges, bright colors. They can take in, but they don't want any light colors. The base color, they want pastel colors.
Okay.
Now the trend has absolutely changed. Even, not only this, other things also, apart from the bridal collections, daily wear also, the light colors are much more into the market. People are fond of, because, and you know what, on light colors, those dark embroideries, they really glow up and it really looks beautiful.
And again, we are coming back to the reflection.
Yes, see, it is what
enhancing your look.
Yes, yes, yes. What it is enhanced.
Okay.
Ultimately, what you wear, what others perceive you, and how you appreciate it, that is what matters at the end of the day.
That means clothes again carry energy.
Yes, definitely. Clothes carry
Whatever we are wearing.
Yes.
Means I just cannot open and keep my cloth here and there. So I'm disturbing my energy and aura.
Yes. We also say, like, you should not lend your clothes to anyone. That's, I know there are people who might accept it and may not accept it. Because I personally believe clothes, what you are wearing, it is carrying your vibrations, your energy. So when you lend it to someone to wear, you don't know that person's energy, right? So the thought process, the mindset, that is so very different. So we say, like, there are people who also take up bridal collections, bridal lehengas for rent. People do wear, because those trends have really come in. Because the thing is, storing those heavy lehengas, people hardly wear the heavy ones, right? Only in the family functions and occasions you can wear. Apart from that, keeping it's a huge size with a, because we add volume to the lehenga now, so it takes a lot of space in the wardrobe. So people go for hiring up. But there are also some people who are like so very particular, they don't want to hire up. They say, whatever I want to make, it will be my own, my personal. Because that is where the belief system is, when you are wearing something, your vibration, your energy, your positivity, you carry with your clothing.
Right.
So when it is someone else's you're hiring and wearing, you never know, 10 people must have worn it, right? You don't know that who worn it.
That might disturb my magnetic field also.
Yeah. It does. It disturbs your energy. It makes your mood irritating. you don't know how it
Oh,
can
just like the
react.
way when we come from outside and sometimes we feel irritated. That means we
Yes.
are carrying the traits
Yes.
of the other people we are
Yes.
moving around.
See, whenever you come from outside, you are, not in a very comfortable mood initially.
Yeah, it
As
does
you set
happen.
in
Very
after a
true.
day's work, you feel, oh, let me relax, let me settle down for some time.
Let me change. Again, we think of clothes.
Yes.
We first open and just we give it to the washing and
That's
all.
the thing when we say that we should go for shower and fresh up with a fresh clothing.
Mhm.
So you're wearing your own clothes, your energy, so that sets in.
It's a beautiful, beautiful. I know what you have given me is a
Yeah.
beautiful concept. Now it's totally clear in my mind. Another thing that means we need to choose our wardrobe also wisely.
Yeah.
So
Of
you can
course.
just,
Of
light up our viewers
course.
with your views. How do we choose it?
Yes. Definitely wardrobe, choosing wardrobe wisely is something so, so very important because that is what you are.
Right.
It's you. I with me and you is you, right?
Mhm.
So, wow factor, I say, oh, wow. So, I want that wow when I go out into the world, when I am into my professional life, when I am into anywhere.
Means my
Socially.
inner wow should be there. I am feeling good
Wow.
about it.
And
I don't care what others are thinking.
true, true.
Sometimes it happens now.
Yeah, I don't,
But-
I don't bother. I should be comfortable what I'm wearing. It's not what others are always appreciating me. It is definite because, I'll tell you something very interesting. We often deal with clients who comes into us and they say, something that you made me in the last occasion I wore for my son's wedding, my brother's wedding or a birthday invitation, what you made, please do something like that because everyone appreciated it so much. I loved it. So, those connections comes in when that is what is in her mind. That something that she made
Okay.
for me last time. Oh, I was looking so beautiful, everyone appreciated me. So I want something like
That means most of the people think of others' appreciation.
yes, percentage is more to what others are
It may not
perceiving.
be comfortable also at the same time because I think you have handled a lot of
Yes.
uncomfortable dresses also, but yet they were adamant of wearing it. जे नहीं हमको ये पहनना ही पड़ेगा because so and so
Yes, yes.
demand is there.
You can, simply imagine something like if I make you wear something which you don't want to wear, just to get others' appreciation, you're wearing it. Off shoulder, maybe very low, deep neck, right?
Maybe I am not comfortable, but
Huh.
due to some demand, I have to wear that.
Yeah. So maybe your crowd demands it, maybe others said, why don't you wear deep neck? You will look very good. But you are not happy with it. You don't want it.
But they are doing it just to make other person happy.
Right.
It
That's-
mainly happens with the married people or
Even youngsters these days, very unpredictable. These days, maybe some, married people also, they are okay with, I have a line of clients who are so fond of wearing, collars, tied up with buttoned up,
actually I personally love a lot of
Yes.
colors.
Yes, I can see and understand. You're looking
So-
really very pretty because it gives you a confidence. You are confident from within.
Yeah, I'm comfortable whatever
Right.
I wear.
So there are people who are wearing off shoulders, very very low and deep necks. Maybe the fitting is uncomfortable, the styling is uncomfortable. Maybe it's a little shorter. So all those things club up together and give you a discomfort, which you don't realize.
That is true.
You think, oh, everyone is saying you're looking so pretty, so good. Oh, you're looking wow. So here is where, comes in to choose the wardrobe wisely. That means you are actually segregating your outfits for different occasions, different purpose. And that is where my role sets in much more and in a deeper way. Because, we tend to guide people like the colors that you choose that adds to your skin texture because all colors doesn't suit everyone. So you should have the occasion and the color which is blending with it.
That means you guide them always at every step.
Yes.
You do this, you wear this style. If they ask, otherwise I think most of them
See,
they come-
people from ages coming to me and they know when they come to me, they are so guided, so enveloped, with they know they walk out confidently. When they walk in, they have lot of doubts, this, that, lots of ideas in their mind. But when they're actually
Completing the thing.
with their outfits from me, they are okay. They're so happy. Yes, it's just perfect. And since so many years now, like whatever I have styling I have done so far, I have always been appreciated. Means
That's a good
they
point
add
to
in,
take.
they say yes, it was really very good, and that actually gives me so much of happiness. So many years of analyzing these things and knowing and understanding a personality of a person, because when they're coming in, when they sit, I try to analyze and understand the gesture and the movement of a person, how the person is, because externally I'm not a ready-made store and I've just hung up few clothes and, oh, you have come, this is for this much money, you take this, I'm giving it for a sale or a discount. No, we are basically interacting with the client and trying to know and understand the personality of a person,
Okay.
and accordingly that suits the personality of a person, the occasion, the purpose. We suggest them colors and embellishments.
Then you cater them according to their
Yes,
needs.
yes,
Okay.
yes, that is what
That's nice. I think you have very diligently explained the detailing, and I feel the viewers need to know about the detailing of this, because always clothes were always associated with fashion and the trend factor.
Yes.
And the way you have handled and analyzed garments in a different perspective, it was really wonderful sharing these concepts with you. Thank you, Sudipta, for sharing your precious moments and time with us. Thank you for this.
Thank you so much for inviting me in the show. I with me and you.
Most
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Thank